So this is the seventh problem of the lecture, and this problem is quite different than the others, but it's very simple like all other problems. So the only thing here they are saying is, so there is one isosceles triangle. So in the sense two sides are equal, one is different, in which of one is 25 and altitude is 35. So they are not giving the side, they are saying altitude is 35. Okay. So for that we have to, how to say, um, uh, get the angle. So they are saying it is inclined to HP in such a way that from the top view it looks like an equilateral triangle. So it's very simple thing to do. And then again they are saying the side parallel to VP. So since this side is so VP is like this, right? HP is like this, VP is like this. So triangle is kept like this. So this side is parallel to VP, right? So that is nothing but our AC, A dash, C dash. That is making 45 degree to HP, VP, right? So we have that this angle like that it is making. So this should bend like this and come like this. So that's 45 here. Or else you can take on the right side, but that angle is different, right? So this angle is making 45. If you rotate it, will come below, right? So you should see properly. So let's. So here they have done ulta type. So below and up. See, they have took like that. So they have given the front view here and top view here. But let's do the top view down and front view above on the line. So this was the previous problem, and let's go to the new sheet. As you can see down, it is a new seventh sheet. So we'll start. First line is our 0.15 xy line from the center. We'll do it. Then all things will be 0.05. At the end, we'll just do dark. Okay, so it says this was how much? 25, right? 25. Okay. Then I have to take altitude, that is 35, right? See over. If I give smart dimensions, so 25, 35. Okay, line. So now what they are saying? They're saying it is inclined to HP in such a way that this from the top view this is now like this, but it looks like what to say equilateral triangle. So what I'll do, I'll mark some projections. Let it be like this and here. Okay, so here I'll put this line. So now you have to take again 25, enter, enter. Then again type 25. You have to go 30 degree, 150 degree, done. Now this comes like this and this comes like this. It goes 90 degree like this. It goes. So see the length here. Okay, is how much? Uh, what to say? Uh, that's it. So here we got. I mean, sorry for that. So now what I have to do? So I have to find the angle, right? So now what I'll do? I'll move it with the copy thing on. Select this point. Array. Okay, sorry, not selected properly. Move point, keep it here. Now what I have to do, I have to like select it, like rotate it in such a way that it just a second, I'll show you. I'll do it like this. Rotate option. So this line, right, big line, I'll rotate in such a way it will touch on the line. So usually that what to say does not happen properly because we need to use that what is that tool, arc by. So I'll just delete this and I'll delete this. So what is the length of this? 35. Okay, 35, right? So arc by center point. This is my point. So 35. I have to cut like this. Okay. Then line from here. See exact point, right? I have to zoom in here. I have to select the X. See, that's the right thing. Okay. Escape. So now this is the angle. Okay. So here if I take this angular dimension, see 52 degree was my actual angle at which if I incline it will give me this, what to say, equilateral triangle. We'll check in the PDF also where we had. See, it was 52, right? So I did not notice 52, but still I understood how and what to do. So it was very simple. Mm, it is placed on the VP such that the front view it is seen as equilateral triangle of 25 mm sides with the side parallel to VP and is inclined to 45 degree at his okay, done nothing else. So top view, front view. Sometimes see it is resting on the VP. So side is corner like that. So top view like that. So just see what am I saying? Nothing else is required. Fine. We'll move on to the solve. Fine. So it's correct. I have to give namings to. Fine. This much is enough. Then now what it says. So this angle will make 45 degree. Okay. So this angle is resting here and it makes 45 degree. So if I give like that, I have to rotate this entire this box. So this thing should be 45 degree to VP. Okay. So I have to take line like this. Understood. So if I put the namings, uh, point 3 is more than enough. A, B, C. Okay. So here B dash in the bracket A dash. See, don't get confused. If I had written A here, it will be A dash in the bracket B dash. But I have written A, B here, so it's like that. Okay, so here it is C dash. Okay, for advance, I'll write and keep A dash and B dash here. Okay, then I need my caps on VP and HP and X and Y. Escape. Now I'll use the move option. Select these three things. Select this. Place it on the line. Okay, escape and I'll select the rotate option. I'll select this all thing, resting edge and this edge, and I need to keep it as 45, right? So if I type 45, enter, done. Okay, let me just move it, copy on, so you won't understand until I do the namings. Okay, so A, C, same thing, my A is here now, okay, B is here, and C is here, fine. This was the median. This is not 25 and this is 25. To prove that it's isosceles, I have to show it like this 25, 25, 25. See, over. Then ABCO is over, so I have to put projection lines. So this was my C dash. So where is C? Till there I have to take. Then B from this point till here. C will go till here. Okay. And then A to B, B to C, like that. Okay, hit escape. Now I have to select the lines which are visible. Okay, style point 4, hit enter. uh, this is not required. Split this line till here, escape, delete, live, HP, VP, X. So anything else is required? No, right? So we got the angle. Here I have to mention the angle that it is 45. It's just small, but I this is no problem. So that's all for the problem. I just forgot to replace this thing. So A is here, right? So B dash comes here. A dash goes here. Copy on. C dash goes here. Escape. ABC, 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 dash, dash, done.